So the Black Swan has two cradles of two varying widths. This one right here is a little bit wider. This one here is a little bit narrower. You use that depending on the width of your neck or the area of the neck you want to massage. I typically use this one here. And you can basically just place the cradle right at the neck of the base of your skull and your neck. Kind of rock back and forth and get to a tender spot. And you kind of want to just let gravity do the rest. You'll want to do this 2 to 3 minutes. You'll work your way up to as many minutes as you need, but as you let the gravity do the work, you'll feel that tenderness go away, and your muscles will relax. Obviously, you can shift the tool to different areas on your neck. Also use the narrower cradle. And this tool allows you to kind of rock from side to side. If you have a particular side that's bothering you, you can kind of lean towards that direction and get a little more pressure in that area. As your neck releases, sometimes you'll get a little neck crack when you rock back and forth. You can also use the tool pointing this direction. So there's a whole lot of freedom in your ability to use the tool, get to those tender areas, and then have the flexibility to place the tool wherever you want. And you also get this little rocking motion if you need. And then you just let gravity do the work to release your neck. So the Black Swan also has several other uses. You can use both of these cradles for massaging your forearms. And you really get in there. Depending on the width you need, you can decide. Also go this direction, which is also very effective. And if you want to pinpoint some areas and you want a smooth rolling action, you can use the swan-head. And if you really want to get in there, you can use the beak and really get into a pressure point and get that release. Also very helpful on the hands. On this thin arm palm area, you really get the pressure in there and relieve that pain. Also throughout your whole hand. I like to set the Black Swan on the table and just really get my palm pressed down on that beak, on the head, and it really gets in there and relieves that pain. Also, you can use the Black Swan on your thighs, pretty much anywhere that you need some massage relief. Very effective there. I think it's most effective on the bare skin. You can really get into these tight muscles. And I have a knot right here. The Black Swan is an extremely versatile tool, and you can pretty much use it anywhere you like and anywhere you need. So feel free to have at it and use it anywhere. Ooh, that feels good. Thank you for purchasing the Black Swan. If you need any assistance, please let us know and we'd be glad to help.